Hi, today I'm going to show you how to transfer a Starlink ownership. So, in order to do this, first of all, ensure that the account is active. So before transferring, the current account owner should make sure that their Starlink account is active and the kit is not linked to an active service plan. Now, cancel any existing subscription through the Starlink app, choosing account, choosing manage and clicking cancel service to make it eligible for transfer. Now, the current owner should go to starlink.com and log in. Once inside the dashboard, find the option for device transfer or transfer ownership that is found under the account or manage section. Now, Starlink provides a unique transfer link for ownership changes. The current owner needs to click initiate transfer and enter the new owner's email address. This sends an official invitation from Starlink. The new owner will receive an email with a link to claim the device. Clicking the link will take them to the Starlink site to create or log in to their own account. Once accepted, the hardware like dish, router, and more will be reassigned to the new account. To ensure a smooth process, the new owner should verify that the dish ID or kit serial number matches the one listed in their new account. This helps confirm that ownership has been fully transferred. Once the transfer is complete, the new owner can choose a plan, enter their service address, and reactivate the Starlink service. The dish will automatically connect after rebooting at new location. And now, you've successfully transferred your Starlink ownership. The new user can now manage billing, service, location, and connection directly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.